Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I will share with you on how to fix Netflix games not showing on TV. Now, there are a few reasons why Netflix games will not show on TV. Maybe you need to update your app. Next is because you have too much cache. So there are a few steps you have to take in order to fix this. The first is for you to go to your Play Store app. So you just search for your Play Store app. So right here on my Play Store, I'll search for Netflix from the search bar. So if you see update here, you just click on it and update your app. Mine shows open, that means mine is updated. The next step you can take to fix this is to go to your settings, your phone settings. So right here on my phone settings, click on the app management. From the app management, I'll search for my app list. Now click on my app list. I'm going to select Netflix from this section. So right here, you're going to clear your cache, and when you clear your cache, it will help to stop every bug or cache that is stopping the app. So you just click on storage and cache and clear your cache. You can go back and also forstop the app. When you forstop the app, it will help to stop every misbehavior in the app. The next step you can take is for you to go out from this section. Now turn on your Wi-Fi. You can swap from your Wi-Fi to your mobile data, or from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi. You can also turn on the airplane for like 10 to 15 minutes. It will help to stop every activities that is not right in the app. It will help to refresh the app. You can also go out from this, click silly on the power button, confirm you want to restart your phone. So you have to restart the phone in order to refresh the app and also refresh your phone. You can also go back to the app and reopen the app to check how it is this time. I believe with this it will be more active. If this guide was helpful, please do well to drop all your comments on the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.